Hey Fit Fam, today I'm going to show you a quick rope tricep press down tutorial. Stay tuned.
I refuse to be outworked.
I will start this video by showing the wrong way to do the tricep rope press down. You do not want to use momentum or swing your arms. This is going to involve the lats, defeating the purpose of isolating your triceps. You also have no control of the movement while you're doing it like this, so please avoid this at all costs. Now for the correct procedure. You're going to start by rolling your shoulder blades back and retracting your scapula. Focus on keeping your arms against your body and in the same position. This will help prevent from swinging or using momentum to push the weight down. Also, make sure you're staying slow and under control throughout the movement. This helps you isolate your triceps. You should feel it working throughout the movement. And last but not least, make sure you're pulling the rope apart at the bottom. This is the main benefit of using the rope over the straight bar, getting an extra range of motion at the end, while you're squeezing your triceps. Hey Fit Fam, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe right here. If you want a video just like this, please click right here. And if you want to see my newest video, please click here. And hey, love what you do. If you don't like it, why are you doing it?
I refuse to be outworked.